going to also go over
Okay.
cleaning and maintenance as well.
Okay.
And record me. All right, so what I'm going to start off with first is how to tell the difference between the left and the right. So because there's not a color indicator on the outside of the hearing aid, it's going to be a L for left, and on the opposite side, it's going to be a R for right. So another part of the hearing aid, what you want to make sure that you do is wipe it down every night once it's taken out. So you can use this cloth, just wiping down a hearing aid. That's going to remove any moisture, any wax that could be on it from the day. There's also a little pick. So with this pick, it's going to be used to clean out the vent, which is located here. So just taking this, you want to snake it through, and then any wax that's built up on the inside, it's going to come out on the opposite side, okay? Now, there is a brush. It's not in here, but I'm going to show you exactly where to brush, which are going to be the microphones on the hearing aid. So it's going to be right here and right here. And just taking the brush and just gently brushing the microphones, that's going to help remove any debris as well. Now, excuse me. So that's as far as cleaning. Now, I do want to point out this little white tip here. It's what we call the wax guard. To change that, you're going to use this pack here. You just want to open this up, and you'll notice that on the opposite side, well, the side that's outside of the pack, it's going to be the removal tool, and on the opposite side is going to be a replacement. So what you would want to do, you take the removal end, you insert it, you'll feel it push in, you'll pull it straight out, flip it over, and you're going to insert it, and that's how you change the wax guard. Now that's going to be done once a month, and because of the type of hearing aid, you're able to monitor the wax buildup. But if it gets too full with wax, what's going to happen is either going to be little or no sound, so it'll make it seem as if the hearing aid's not working. But again, because it's visible, you'll be able to tell if there's wax in there or not. So I'm going to put this back in here, but typically after you change the wax guard, you would discard of that stick. So there are 2 packs in here. There are 2 packs in here, so when you change one, it's best to change the other as well, just to keep it on a routine. Now, another part of her hearing aid is going to be changing the battery, and that will be done once a week. Because she's in a size 312 battery, it'll be about 5 to 6 days worth of battery life, okay? Now, to open up the battery door, you want to pull this little notch here with your nail. You just want to open that up. That's going to be her on and off switch as well. So at night when she goes to bed, just crack this battery door open, and that's going to turn it off. In the morning when she wakes up, you're just going to close it, and that's going to turn it back on. So when changing the battery, you have your batteries here. You just want to open up the pack, and you'll notice that there's a sticker. So you want to remove that sticker because the battery is air activated. So you want to wait 1 to 2 minutes before closing the battery door after that's put in. So another part with her battery, so again, she's in a size 312. If she ever runs out and some need to be purchased, they can be purchased from any grocery store, Walmart, Kroger, Walgreens, CVS. If you all don't remember the battery size, just remember the color, because that color is universal no matter where you go. So just look for the brown batteries. But when changing the battery, you want to make sure that the positive side is up. Positive side is up. You'll notice on the battery door, there's like a little floor to sit for the negative side. And just to show you, if the negative side is up, the battery door will not close. If I can get it in here. Okay, so it won't be able to close, which is a sure sign that the battery needs to be flipped the opposite way. So positive side up, and it closes without any resistance.